Today I will show you how to block someone on Messenger. You can block someone in 3 ways depending on your situation. I will show you all of them one by one. It's super easy, so let's begin. Open Messenger. The first method is from contacts. Tap people. Next, tap on the phone book icon. Find the person in your friend list. Tap their profile. Then the eye icon. Scroll down and tap block. Hit block again. And the profile will be blocked. Now moving on the second method. From active contacts, tap people. Next, tap on the active profile. Hit eye icon. Then select block. Tap block again. And the profile will be blocked. And the third method is from chats. Tap the conversation. Then select the eye icon. Scroll down and tap block. Tap block again and the profile will be blocked. Remember, blocking will also unfriend the person if you are friends on Facebook. If you don't want that, check my other video on how to restrict people. Link in the comment. That's all. These 3 methods let you block someone on Messenger, depending on your situation. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, it helps me. Thank you.